Enjoy a 12-pack of Land Shark Lager. The Island Escape. We love Land Shark. It tastes great. Boy, we love Land Shark. Land Shark tastes great. This right here is where the head-on collision happened. Car was coming from town and hit another car that was coming off the island head on. The police said it was at a full rate of speed. And this is just a 2 weeks. On St. Patrick's Day, they knocked the palm tree out down there on the curve. They killed that. That tree's been knocked down twice. Cock-a-doodle-doo. When the cars hit, they spun around and we're going in different directions. Hit pretty hard. One of them landed up here and the other one was up over there. This is where another tree has been knocked out of here twice. This is the second palm tree planted right here because both of them got knocked down.